Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Anupama Menon, your food coach and nutritionist for today, and you're watching me on Femina.in. In a world that is going gaga over smoothies and milkshakes, I'd like to bring your attention to some other wonderful healthy drinks that you can make part of your daily routine and diet. Rice kanji, a traditional old drink that has been forgotten. The water that you boil your rice in is called the kanji. It's a byproduct of your boiled rice, so to say. The rice kanji is great for you because it's loaded with the B complex vitamins that have leached off the rice that you have boiled. In a world where people are suffering from so many issues of the gut and the tummy, like acidity, flatulence and bloating, it's important to ride over these issues. It's important to have a great digestion. And one of the factors that leads to a healthy gut is replacing or ensuring that your gut gets good bacteria every day, every single day. So if you ferment your kanji overnight, so once you boil the rice and the water, when you're draining the water, don't throw that water away. Leave it overnight covered on your kitchen granite, and next day squeeze a little bit of lemon and salt over it and enjoy the kanji. One, it gives you your B complex vitamins, and number two, it replenishes your gut with a little bit of the good bacteria that you really need. Another drink that I wish that everybody would make part of their daily lifestyle is the haldi wala doodh. Haldi is healing for you. It's great for your entire system. It helps your system to heal. It contains curcumin, which is an extract of haldi, which is a wonderful healer. Not talked about, in the recent past, but our ancestors and our grandmothers, grandfathers, the age-old Rishi Munis have used this spice to great benefit. And this is one supplement, I would say, that must come back into your daily routine. Use organic haldi and mix it with your milk on a daily basis, especially at night. It even helps you to sleep better. Half to a 3/4 teaspoon of haldi, depending on how much you can tolerate of it, can be added to your milk, boiled and drunk just before you go to bed. For people who are lactose intolerant, you could do this with even just plain water. Remember one thing, haldi is not very well absorbed by your digestive system. So always remember to add a pinch of pepper to it, which makes it more bioavailable, which makes it better absorbed in the system. Along with this, you could also add half a teaspoon of cold pressed virgin coconut oil, which makes it a complete health benefit to your system. Make this part of your routine. Our favorite lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon into a glass of water, a pinch of salt and gulp it down. No sugar please, you really don't need that sugar going into your lime juice. Use it for your tea or coffee. Lemon is alkaline for the body. It actually helps you to get rid of acidity. It helps you to keep a great system, a great digestive system, which I can't stress enough about. It gives you a healthy glow to the skin, takes care of your vitamin C needs for the day. So ensure that you drink lemon juice at least 5 to 6 times a week, maybe even twice a day. You never can overdo this drink. It's wonderful. Cucumber and mint juice. It's cooling, it's refreshing, it's better, definitely better than a fruit juice. It contains a lot of water. It's a great coolant, especially in Mumbai's hot weather, and add mint to it for flavor, and it's something that will grow on you, trust me. And how do you make this drink? Juice 2 full cucumbers along with some pudina or some mint, add a little bit of salt to it and enjoy your drink. Chas definitely over lassi. Both of them are essentially the same. It's made with yogurt, preferably homemade yogurt. Homemade yogurt has live bacteria, lactobacilli, which is great for your gut. So enjoy this on a daily basis. I know you would probably have your curd in the day, but a chas can actually bring refreshment to your life. It's great when you are thirsty. It's great on the go too. Again, like I said, can't stress enough, it's great for your digestive system. Add a little bit of yogurt to your, or a little bit of homemade yogurt into a glass, add a little bit of salt, lots of water, and enjoy your chas for the day.